Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage group settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First, click here. Now here we'll find group settings, click on it. Now click create group, and after you add your name and description and add the emblem, here you will find settings. Here you can manage who can join, and that's it. That's how to manage group settings, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.